And as an entrant in this year's Hiri Hanenamo, she would like to showcase the significance of the Hiri trade history, the artistry of tattooing known as repa in her dialect, which will be featured on her chest, back and thighs. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Alaira Hanenamo and Hanenamo number 2, Miss Rose Serema. Hanenamo na tayo-tayo Wah, Alaira, kuyo ba niya ba? Ano ba na? Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome to the stage Hanenamo number 3, representing her people.